Alright, here you have it, the MPC Live 2. The feature set is pretty much the same as the Live 1 with a few additions, but the main feature is the built-in stereo monitors. So how do they sound? Are they useful? Do they distort? Why not just use headphones? And if I have a Live 1, do I need to update? Well, let's go over a few things first. You basically get more dedicated buttons compared to the MPC Live 1. The pads and everything is basically the same. You get CV gates this time out, an Ethernet jack for Ableton Live Link, and a volume knob on the top. Alright, no headphones allowed. Let's put these monitors to the test. There's a dedicated switch to turn the monitors off and on, and it weighs and feels solid. Here's the Make 2 compared to the Make 1. The Make 2 is bigger. The 1 compared to the Make 2. The real test is, can we make a beat on this thing? First up, I want to try a sample-based beat, so I'm going to enable the new Pro 10 algorithm in 2.8. First impressions, the monitors give you a decent volume. Alright, the monitor's past that with flying colors. Let's try something a little slower. What really impresses me about these speakers is I can hear the lows, the highs, the mids. I wouldn't say you can mix on it, but the speakers won't impede your ability to create at all. 2.8 feature. Q-Link's now show parameters on the touch screen. Alright, let's try some drums. Masada Cycle Kit 5. These speakers give you a lot of punch. Hi-hats are crisp, clear. These monitors make this a real standalone in my opinion. You don't need headphones. All you're missing is a mic now. The more I use the Make 2, I've realized that all my little gripes about a built-in speaker and how unnecessary it is was actually closed-minded and wrong. It's actually pretty useful. I find myself just sitting in my living room outside of my studio wanting to create chop samples or play melodies without having to go to my studio. It's pretty dope. I'm impressed at how punchy your drums come across, how you got that smack in your snare. Your hi-hats are clear, present, and crisp. I would kind of compare the speaker to a decent Bluetooth speaker. You know what I mean? It's, you know, without all of the Bluetooth compression. It's pretty good. What I'm really impressed with is how I never had to struggle to hear my low end. I can hear every note, I can hear every instrument. I think the Akai engineers did a decent job. I'm not trying to sell you, I'm just saying this is my opinion. think I needed speakers on the MPC, but the Make 2 proves me wrong. I'm impressed. The Make 2 can also be used as a sound card for your computer, which means you can play audio through the Make 2's monitors. I'm adjusting the volume to show you that the sound is coming out of the Make 2 and not my computer speakers.